Hello, little friends. Let's dive into the deep blue ocean and learn all about sea animals today. Sea animals are incredible creatures that live in oceans, seas, and sometimes rivers. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its unique features and abilities. Some sea animals are tiny, like the little seahorse, while others are enormous, like the great blue whale. They can have scales, shells, fins, or even tentacles. Sounds they make. Sea animals are great at making different sounds, even though we can't always hear them underwater. Dolphins make a high-pitched click-click sound to communicate and find food. Whales sing beautiful songs that can be heard for miles. Crabs can make clicking or rasping sounds by rubbing their claws together. And did you know that some fish can even grunt or hum? Where they live. Sea animals live all around the world in oceans, seas, and sometimes rivers and lakes. They can be found in coral reefs, deep sea trenches, kelp forests, and sandy shores. Some sea animals, like dolphins, prefer warm tropical waters, while others, like penguins, thrive in cold, icy regions. Types and classification. Sea animals belong to many different groups, including fish, mammals, crustaceans, mollusks, and echinoderms. Each group has its unique characteristics and ways of living in the water. Common species. The ocean is home to many fascinating sea animals. Here are some popular ones you might have heard of. Dolphins. Dolphins are friendly and intelligent marine mammals with sleek bodies and curved dorsal fins. They love to jump and play in the water. Dolphins communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements. They live in groups called pods and are known for their playful behavior. Whales. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. They come in different sizes and species, such as the blue whale, humpback whale, and orca. Whales are known for their magnificent songs and long migrations across the ocean. Some whales even breach, which means they jump out of the water and make a big splash. Clownfish. Clownfish are small, colorful fish that live in sea anemones. They have bright orange bodies with white stripes. Clownfish and sea anemones have a special relationship where they protect each other from predators. You might remember clownfish from the famous movie Finding Nemo. Octopuses. Octopuses are fascinating sea creatures with 8 arms and incredible intelligence. They can change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings, which helps them hide from predators. Octopuses can also squirt ink to escape danger. They are masters of disguise and can squeeze through tiny spaces. Crabs. Crabs are crustaceans with hard shells and pincers. They walk sideways and can be found on sandy beaches, rocky shores, and even deep in the ocean. Some crabs, like the hermit crab, use empty shells to protect themselves. Crabs are great diggers and love to burrow in the sand. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are mesmerizing sea creatures with soft, transparent bodies and long, flowing tentacles. They drift through the water with the current and can be found in oceans all over the world. Some jellyfish glow in the dark, which is called bioluminescence, but be careful, their tentacles can sting. Diet and feeding. Do you know what sea animals eat? It depends on the animal. Some sea animals, like sharks, eat other fish and marine animals. Dolphins love to eat fish and squid. Crabs enjoy munching on algae and small sea creatures. Sea turtles feast on jellyfish and seaweed. Each sea animal has a diet that suits its lifestyle. How they hunt or gather food. Sea animals have different ways of finding food. Dolphins use echolocation, which is like sonar, to find fish. Sharks have sharp teeth and powerful jaws to catch their prey. Octopuses use their tentacles to grab and eat crabs and small fish. Some sea animals, like filter-feeding whales, strain tiny plankton from the water. Behavior and activities. Sea animals have interesting behaviors and activities. Dolphins love to jump and play in the waves. Crabs dig holes in the sand to hide from predators. Sea otters use rocks to crack open shellfish. Many sea animals, like fish, swim in schools to stay safe from predators. Daily activities and routines. Sea animals have daily routines that include searching for food, resting, and playing. Dolphins often travel in pods and work together to hunt for fish. Sea turtles come to shore to lay their eggs in the sand. Whales migrate long distances to find food and raise their young. Growth and development. Baby sea animals are called different names depending on the species. Baby dolphins are called calves, and they stay close to their mothers for protection and milk. Baby fish are called fry, and they start life as tiny eggs. As sea animals grow, they learn to hunt, swim, and survive in their underwater homes. Natural environment. Sea animals live in various environments, from warm coral reefs to cold, deep-sea trenches. Coral reefs are colorful and full of life, while the deep sea is dark and mysterious. Each sea animal is adapted to its unique environment. Unique features and abilities. Sea animals have amazing features and abilities. Dolphins can leap out of the water and perform acrobatic tricks. Octopuses can change color and shape to blend in with their surroundings. Some fish can even glow in the dark to attract mates or scare away predators. Communication with other animals. Sea animals communicate in many ways. Dolphins use clicks and whistles to talk to each other. Whales sing songs that can be heard for miles. Fish use body language and colors to signal danger or attract mates. Sea animals have their own special ways of communicating. Night versus day animals. Most sea animals are active during the day and rest at night, but some are nocturnal and come out to hunt in the dark. Sharks, for example, are often more active at night when they hunt for prey. Other sea animals, like certain fish and crabs, also prefer the nighttime. Sleep habits. Sea animals have different sleep habits. Dolphins sleep with one eye open and half of their brain awake to stay alert for danger. Fish rest by floating in place or hiding in coral reefs. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep to stay together and avoid drifting away. Social structure. Sea animals have different social structures. Dolphins live in close-knit pods and have strong social bonds. Whales also live in groups and take care of each other. Fish often swim in schools for protection. Each sea animal has its own way of living and interacting with others. Lifespan and aging. Sea animals have varying lifespans. Some fish live for only a few years, while turtles can live for decades. Whales and dolphins can live for many years, often forming long-lasting relationships with their pod members. Friendliness to humans. Many sea animals are friendly to humans. Dolphins are known for their playful and curious nature. Some fish, like clownfish, are popular pets in aquariums. However, it's important to remember that sea animals are wild creatures and should be treated with respect and care. Roles in human society. Sea animals play important roles in human society. They are beloved creatures in aquariums, and some, like dolphins, participate in therapy programs to help people. Sea animals also inspire us with their beauty and unique abilities. And that's all about parrots, little friends. Remember, always be gentle and kind to animals, and they will be kind to you. Parrots are amazing creatures and make wonderful friends for us all. Join us again soon at clubbabyedu.com, where the fun never ends.